The health threat that she mentioned means you will want to protect your vehicle, especially since some repair shops have long wait lists. KVUE's Dominique Newland is live in North Austin. Dominique, some people are still waiting to get repairs from the last hailstorm.
They are, Ashley, and that storm was over a year ago. So auto repair shops are seeing a lot of people coming in. They have long wait lines, and by long, I mean over 6 months long. So if your car still looks like this with all this hail damage, the dents, you are not the only one. Esteban Lozano is the owner of Dings Happen in Austin. That's a paintless dent repair shop. He says with the severity of last year's storm, he still has customers on a wait list for hail damage repairs. According to Esteban, it takes on average close to 5 days just to fix one car. So when there's a large amount of affected vehicles due to severe weather, his workload can be up to 2 years long. But if your car has hail damage, the local business owner says beware of out-of-town door knockers.
I can't tell you how many people I've had come in because of some other company totaling out their car because they butchered it to the point to where it could not be repaired anymore. You got to really be careful, and so that's why I'll have a list of people waiting for 6 months to get their car fixed because they would rather just deal with a local guy or someone that's more experienced.
Now, when it comes to hail, we're expected to see tonight. Esteban did offer some tips for drivers. Take advantage of your carport or garage if you do have one. If you don't, he says, make sure that you have a good deductible with your insurance company. That's an issue he says a lot of people run into. Also, another recommendation is layering. So if your car is outside, if you don't have a carport or a garage, if your car's out here like this, make sure you're layering big blankets, comforters to protect your car if we do get those really big hail sizes. That will help prevent some of the damage that may have already been done from last year or any damage that hopefully won't come in the future, but it's always good to be prepared. Reporting in North Austin, I'm Dominique Newland. Back to you in the studio.
Certainly some good tips there. Thank you for that, Dominique.